Have you ever grown kohlrabi?
No, I really don't even know what it is. I mean, like I've seen it in the grocery store, but beyond that,
It's amazing.
Do you like broccoli?
uh-huh.
Okay. So kohlrabi is basically its flavor is just like broccoli.
It's very similar.
It's easier to grow than broccoli though, and it's
Okay.
faster. So
Okay.
in the 40 to 50 days, Express is the one that we grew that was amazing.
It grew
Okay.
so well, and
It doesn't have
they
as many
taste amazing too.
in the pest. It doesn't have as many pest issues as broccoli because we had like broccoli, cabbage, and kohlrabi, Brussels sprouts. We had all of them in the same garden area. We fought harlequin bugs
Oh.
really bad on all the other plants, but kohlrabi just didn't really have the issues because there's not as much surface area for the bugs to attack. It's just kind of that one bulb that's here in the middle, and then leaves coming off of it. So it's really easy to keep it clean. We have really become a huge fan of kohlrabi, and especially this express one.
Yeah.
So do you just harvest the little leaves, or do you pull the whole bulb out, or what do you?
Yeah, once it hits like tennis ball size, you go ahead and just chop it at the base, and the entire plant is edible. So like that ball is edible and the leaves.
Okay. So it's the little ball like above the ground?
Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
And
okay. I was thinking
like,
that would be underground. Okay.
yeah, and it's basically like the stems of broccoli. If you like the stem parts, it's just a big ball of the stem part.
Yeah.
Is basically what that is because it's in the same family as broccoli. That's all these plants came from the same wild mustard plant that we kind of bred them and tend to do different things. So this is basically just that stem part of broccoli, just as a ball. So our favorite way to use it is to just kind of dice it up into a bunch of little pieces and then throw it in a stir fry. Because we have like a hibachi flat top grill that we love to make stir fries on. So we'll throw rice in there and then this type of stuff and onions and peppers.
Yeah, we do a lot of stir fries. I'll give that a shot. Whichever one you think is the best one.
Yeah, Express is the one. It's
That
not
one-
the award winner, but it's one that did best for us.
It did
and it's
amazing
faster.
for us.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you get more seeds.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
And it matures 8 days earlier.